This is Math Lesson 3.8, Make a 10 to Add. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say, I can use the Make 10 strategy to add. So we have a problem that is 9 plus 5 equals. That's an addition problem. So first I'm going to model it, and I'm going to put 9 counters in my 10 frame. So if I put 9 counters in my 10 frame, I should have all but one filled. So 8 and 9. So 9 in my 10 frame, and then it says I need 5 more. So I'm going to put 5 on the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 on the outside. Now, I'm going to try to make a 10. I see right here that I have one that is empty. So I'm going to just slide this one up here. And now I know that I have a 10 frame that's full. So when I have a 10 frame that is full, I know that I have 10 in that 10 frame. And when I'm looking at it, I now can count and see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Since I'm using this one in my 10 frame, I now only have 4 because I took one away. So I have 10 plus 4. Well, I know 10 plus 4 is 14. So I know that 9 plus 5 is also 14, because all I did was I moved. I still have 5 yellow, I just moved it to make a 10. So let's try these ones. We have 8 plus 4. So we're going to try 8 red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I need 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to use my Make a 10 strategy. I see that I have 2 that I can put up here. So I'm going to do my 8 over here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 over here. And I'm going to do 4 more, but this time I'm going to fill in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once again, when I look, I can see that in my 10 frame, I have now filled up my 10 frame. My 10 frame is filled, and I have 10 in my 10 frame. But I moved 2. They were down here, and I moved them into the 10 frame to make a 10, so now I only have 2 extra. So I have 10 plus 2. Well, I know that 10 plus 2 is 12. So remember, all we did was move 2 of these up to here. We did not take them away, we just moved them. So if 10 plus 2 is 12, I know that 8 plus 4 is also 12. Let's try the next one. we have 9 plus 7. So I'm going to fill this up so that I have 9. And if I fill it up so that I have 9, I know that I only have one empty space. Once again, we've been working on that so that we know how to read a 10 frame quickly on dots and spaces. So I have 9. Now I need 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to make a 10. So we're going to make a 10 by filling up our 10 frame all the way this time. So I'm going to fill it up with my 9. And then 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to fill it up with 9, but this time when I do my 7, I'm going to start in that empty space to make a 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So once again, when I look at it, I know that this time I made a 10 by filling in the 10 frame. So I have 10 right here in that 10 frame. So I have 10. And now on the outside I have 5 and one more is 6. I have 6 because we moved 1 into the 10 frame. So I know that 10 plus 6 is 16. So 9 plus 7 is also 16. Because remember, all we did, we didn't take any yellow away or we didn't add any yellow, we just moved it into the 10 frame. Let's try some more. This time we're going to start with our 10 frame and we're going to figure out how many we should have. So it says 10 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to do 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when I look at 10 plus 8, I know that 10 plus 8 is 18. So I know we have 18. All right, so now we have to figure out that 10 plus 8, here's my 10 fact, and I want to know what my other fact is. Well, I know that the answer is going to be 18, because remember, we have the same answer because we're using a 10 fact to help us solve. Just like here, we have the same answer. We figured out the 10 fact. We're trying to figure out the fact to use the strategy with. So, I know my answer is 18. So now I have to figure out. I know it says that I have 9. So I'm going to fill up the 10 frame with 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But I need to get to 18, so I'm going to do the rest in yellow. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So let's see how many yellows would go right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 yellows. Now, think about this. This is how it would look if I were to do my two facts. 9 and 9. We move this over here and it becomes 10, and now they look the same. So it should be 9 and 9. Let's do the next one. Our 10 fact is 10 plus 5. Well, right off the bat, I already know 10 plus 5 is 15. So I'm going to just write that. So I know that 8 plus something is also 15. But I'm going to do my picture to help me figure it out. So I have 10 in my 10 frame. So I know that when a 10 frame is filled up, it has 10. I do not need to count. I can just say 10. We have been working on that in our 10 frame cards with our dots and our spaces. So I know I have 10. And now I have 5 more. So I have 5 more. So I have to figure out what 10, 8 plus something is 15. So let's look. So we're going to put 8 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to keep going until we hit with yellow until we get to 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now we're going to count the yellow and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. So 8 plus 7 is 15. And if you look at this, you can tell all I did, here were our 2 extras here. We put them in to fill it in to make a 10, and those are these ones right here. These are our 2 extra ones right here. That go right there. So our pictures would then match. Awesome job learning today.